All right, the task today is we're going to be working on this '09 Chevy Tahoe. It has an intermittent power failure. It just shuts off every once in a while, and I think it traces back to the negative battery cable, so we're going to be replacing that. So up here in the passenger side, I've got a 10 millimeter I got to take loose here, some various clips that need to be removed. Down here on the block, there's a termination there, and then for whatever reason, there's one underneath the bumper cover up here in the front. I've tried to fix this before because I thought it was just a grounding problem and thought there was corrosion, so I took all the leads off, disconnected them, cleaned them up, put them back on. So I know there's a termination up in here, but I got to reach in from the bottom to get to it. So if anybody out there knows why it's made like that, why there's a lead that runs down there, let me know in the comments. We're gonna go ahead and get started. This is a 15 millimeter. The previous nut was a 10 millimeter. This one's a little warm. If you can see that or not, there's a clip right here. All right, so that cable's right here. I've got it released or disconnected from the bottom. There's that one. So I gotta reach my arm up in here to get to that, so I'm not gonna video it, it's gonna be too hard. I'm connected down there now. Just got it fired up now.
Started. Yep, it's fine.
I don't know what it was charging at before. I think it was a little over. That's what the gauge said.
Okay then. I think it's like 14 to 14 and a half is the spec, but
just shut off on
While she was driving?
her. Yeah.
Really? That's bizarre. She jiggled the negative wire and it would start.
Yeah.
Odd.
I think it was more common that it was shut off and she would go to start it and it wouldn't start. She said there was 1 or 2 times where it just shut off. So it obviously won't do it while I'm driving.
Well, you fixed it.
Until she gets out.
Yeah.
There's a Jeep.
You got him from oldest to newest, doesn't he?
Is that what it is?
That's what it looks like.
Yeah, he's got the steel treads. Looks like they almost still use that thing.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna end this video on that note. If you like the video, like and subscribe, and put a comment down below. Thanks for watching.